Adventure Man Productions. This is the Adventure Mobile, somewhere in California. And I got my little crab cooker on my dashboard, cooking salmon and with an 800-watt power inverter. Get those for about 20 bucks at Kmart, little egg cookers. These are the Hmong people. The parking lot's full of Hmong. Little lighthouse over there. Thousand Islands. That last big island has all the seals on it that steal my bait out of my trap. They're pretty clever. And the little One Tree Lighthouse. Sundown coming up. You gotta be real careful driving up here because there's rocks under the surface. There's thousands of little islands, so you have to be a good skipper on your boat. Good boat captain. So go back and check out the crab traps. Hmong lady with their crab traps going to work. Najong, Najong. It's pretty windy today. I already have a lot of these videos already, but I need to make one because I just found out there's an old Hmong man and lady that make their own crab traps, those folding pyramids. It's just really strong, heavy duty. Najong, Najong, Najong. These are the kind that you buy in the store. Those are red crabs. They're really delicious. Those we use for bait, some fish heads. Those are the ones that he... No, that's still a commercial one. That one was modified though. Most of the time they use these big round rings. You turn around and blink your eye. These seagulls will steal your fish. Watch out. Ooh. Oh, you gotta hold it a certain way. You gotta. Oi, 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 oi.